Good morning, traders. This is Anthony Borsellino, Man Over Market, and this is the morning call for the 30th. All right, we're currently trading around the middle of value. Let's get right into the research. Value area high, 2077 even. Volume point of control, 2050 half, and the value area low is 2051 half. We have a pivot today of 2060 quarter and an average rotation of 14 ticks, 3.50 points. Our bull bear zone today is currently sitting at 2053 even, and that's what we have for the research today. Let me pull in the profile. S&P is currently up 14, and looks pretty strong. If you look at the profile here, yesterday filled in those areas that we wanted to, but there's still a lot of high volume nodes sitting on the profile. If you look at the overnight session, I believe that there's a high volume load here at 2061 even, also 2060 even, and we have a single print sitting down here at 2059 even. Currently, CCIs on the day are in a gray mode for the S&Ps, and the sisters are all in a green mode. So we'll have to see what happens with that as the day unfolds. Let me pull in the profile here again. Today we're looking at a two-sided trade. Yesterday traded at levels not seen since April. So we have to assume that we were at some critical support levels, and I'll be tweeting out some targets to the top side or the downside as the day unfolds today. And remember, it's the last day of the trading month, so we'll see what happens here. When we're looking at the profile here, I see a lot of gray here. See all this gray? I think this all needs to fill before we make a move here. There's a lot of gray down here. Overnight mode, 2055 half. So we got to see what happens as the day unfolds today. But I'm thinking it's going to be a two-sided trade for the most part. We may get a nice move to the top side. But I still think we need to fill in some of this volume here before we make our move. All right, 2050 half is still a major level. Down here, we get past it yesterday, making a low of 2047 quarter, and the current overnight low, Globex low, is 2050.75. So if they go down and test those levels again, we got to see what happens. But like I said, follow us on Twitter today. I'll be posting out targets and levels as the day unfolds, and we'll see what happens. But just for a quick recap, value area high 2077 even. We're currently trading about around the middle of value. The value point of control, volume point of control, 2050 half. Value area low, 2051 half, and the pivot's 2060 quarter. Also, we have the bull bear zone sitting at 2053 even. So like I said, follow us on Twitter. See what happens as the day unfolds today, and I'll be tweeting out some levels and targets to look out for as we're trading. But as I said earlier, currently CCIs for the sisters are all in a green mode. S&P is in a gray mode, still undecided, and we're looking at a two-sided trade until we fill in some of this volume here on the profile. Everybody have a great day. Keep those stops in place and make some money.